Need a quick sweet treat to satisfy your cravings? Today I'll show you how to make sweet vermicelli, also known as Seviyan, a simple, delicious South Asian snack in just minutes. Let's dive in. Start by placing your pan on the stove and set the heat to medium-low. Pour in 1½ cups of milk. Next, add ½ cup of brown sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now, add ½ cup of ghee or oil, your choice. Give it a good mix to bring everything together. Next, add 1 pack, 200 grams of vermicelli, known as Seviyan in South Asian countries, cutting them into smaller pieces if needed. Toss in a handful of raisins or any dry fruits you like. Gently mix until all the vermicelli are soaked in the milk. Cover the pan and lower the heat. After a couple of minutes, uncover and give it a gentle stir. Cover again and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until tender. And there you have it. Your sweet vermicelli Seviyan are ready. Serve it up with a garnish of raisins and almonds for a delightful finish. Thanks for joining me today to make this quick and delicious sweet vermicelli Seviyan. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out our other videos for more easy and flavorful dishes. And as always, have a wonderful day.